Hey brothers, in today's video I am going to tell you how you can easily install Windows 10 in your PC or laptop. First of all, you must have a CD-ROM with a CD of Windows 10 or a USB drive with Windows 10. Then you must restart your PC, and when your PC will restart, if you have an HP PC, then click F9, otherwise click at F12 and your boot menu will open, and click on CD drive, then press any key to boot your CD drive or USB. Then it will take us some while and take you to a Windows pop-up page where you can select your language, your keyboard method, your time and currency, then click next and then click install now. Now our setup is starting. Now you have to choose between Windows 10 Pro, Home, Enterprise OEM activated or non-activated, or x64 or x86. I recommend you to click on Windows 10 Pro Home activated x64 version and then click on Next. Now you can see license agreement, you can read it, but I am not reading it. Click I accept the license and click on Next. Here you can upgrade your Windows or custom install window, just click Custom. Now this page seems some difficult, but it is easy. I am going to tell you that if you want to keep your all files except your C drive, so don't format any other drive, just format C drive and click on Next. Otherwise you can delete all files by deleting or formatting your drives. Now Windows is installing files. It will take some time, so I am skipping that part. After that your PC will restart and he is saying that it's time to enter the product key. If you have your product key, if you purchased real, so enter, otherwise click do this later. But I don't have it, so I am clicking on do this later. Here it will say that if you want to connect your any Wi-Fi connection, so you can connect it from here. I am not doing it at this time. Now click on Use Express Settings. Now enter name that you want to give to your PC and password is optional. Then your PC will going to be set up. It will take some time. Your PC just started successfully. Hope you enjoyed the video. My next video will be on window upgrade from old to newest version. I am Helper. I make video on your needs, so comment down your any problem. I will make video as soon as possible. If this video help you, so please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like. Check out more videos. Take care. Goodbye.